If you're trying to attract money using the law of attraction and nothing seems to work, you might be making a critical mistake without even realizing it. A mistake that acts like an invisible barrier, keeping you stuck with no progress, no results. And the worst part? Most people make this mistake every single day, believing they are doing everything right. But today, that changes. What I'm about to reveal could be the key to unlocking your financial future. If you take this seriously, your reality could shift faster than you imagine. Because the truth is, the law of attraction works. The problem is that for many people, it works in reverse. Everyone has heard the phrase, "You attract what you think about." But what if I told you that thought alone is not enough? The real secret isn't just in what you think, but in what you feel. And this is where most people fail. Here's the fatal mistake: focusing on lack instead of abundance. It sounds obvious, but this is where nearly everyone stumbles. People say they want more money, but deep down, they're worried, anxious, and full of fear. They think about prosperity, but feel scarcity. And guess what happens? They manifest more scarcity. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you want to order a pizza. You call the restaurant, place your order, and once you hang up, you know the pizza is on its way. You don't call every 2 minutes to ask if it's coming. You just trust. Now, think about how most people behave when they want money. They say they want it, but deep down, they are doubting. They send their request to the universe, but the next second, they are questioning, will it work? What if it doesn't happen? Do I really deserve this? This kind of thinking completely cancels out the request. The law of attraction responds to your internal state, not just your words. If you say you want money but feel lack, what you're actually asking for is more lack. And the universe, like a mirror, reflects exactly that back to you. But there's a simple way to correct this mistake and align your vibration with real wealth. It starts with reprogramming your mind to feel abundance before it even arrives. I'm not talking about just repeating affirmations without emotion. I'm talking about training your brain to truly believe that you already have the prosperity you desire. A powerful technique for this is visualization combined with emotional intensity. If you want more money, close your eyes and imagine you already have it. See your bank account balance growing. Feel the joy of paying your bills effortlessly. Visualize yourself buying what you want without worry. But most importantly, feel gratitude as if this is already real. Your brain doesn't distinguish between a real experience and a vividly imagined one. And the more you do this, the more your subconscious begins to accept this new reality as truth. Another essential key is inspired action. Many people think the law of attraction is just about thinking and waiting. But without action, nothing happens. The universe responds to movement. So after aligning your vibration, be alert for opportunities, because when you're in the right state, doors start to open. Ideas come, people show up, opportunities manifest. But it's up to you to take the next step. And if you want a powerful tool to accelerate this process, there's a method that has already helped thousands of people reprogram their minds for wealth. The Money Wave is an audio program designed to activate the right brain waves and unlock your ability to attract money naturally. With just a few minutes a day, you can completely transform your financial mindset. The link is in the description. Click and discover how this can help you manifest wealth faster than you ever imagined. From now on, every thought you have needs to be aligned with what you want, not what you fear. Your focus creates your reality. Consciously choose what to feed your mind, because the truth is, money is already available to you. You just need to open yourself up to receiving it.